Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create an auto dial campaign in Custom VICIdial theme. First, log into your VICIdial admin theme. After login, go to admin and open campaign. Now click on add a new campaign. Here enter your campaign ID and campaign name. After that, set campaign active to yes. Now select the minimum hopper level as a 50. Then click on submit. After that, campaign is created. Open the same campaign again. Now go to the dial method section and select ratio. After completing all the setting, click on submit again. Now your auto dial campaign has been created successfully. You can add your lead list agent and start dialing. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.